Hi there, everyone. It is currently the 15th of January, 2016. Meteorologist Robert Spena here with you. We are continuing to discuss this absolutely tremendous winter weather pattern which has been dominating Japan the past several days. Well over a meter of snowfall has fallen across much of the mountains of Tohoku down through central areas of Hokuriku. That includes Niigata and Nagano, where a few of these photos snagged them from a few of my friends who are in Gunma and also over towards Nagano prefectures, and it's just an incredible amount of snow. This is actually a great image from videographer James Reynolds as well. He's out there in Niigata, was filming this train, one of the snow clearing trains there. So some pretty interesting sights, but the snow can be exceptionally dangerous. We are looking at widespread train delays, also flight delays out there. Mainly, this is still a part of our winter weather pattern we're talking about here. That CFX snow, you can kind of see in the satellite picture, it starts off rather wispy, and then that snow gets thicker and thicker as far as the banding, and it just piles up here in the mountains. Another indicator of the northerly winds, actually, I just want to point this out, is our von Karman vortices forming just south of Jeju-do. That's those strong northerly winds moving over that island here. It's a quick look at the surface analysis so you can see what I'm talking about here. We have our area of low pressure towards the east of Hokkaido, those strong northerly winds. That's that pressure gradient spilling in out of Siberia, and you just have these lines really tight together. That indicates basically a tighter pressure gradient and higher winds, and especially when the Sea of Japan is as warm as it is and that cool air is as cold as it is, it just drops that snowfall. I do want to show on the bigger picture, though, what I'm talking about here with this winter weather pattern, because you can see our low back here towards the east. You have the high pressure towards the west, but this low hasn't been moving very fast because we have this high pressure ridge basically extending from Siberia all the way through Kamchatka and down here towards the south, and that's been keeping this little guy in place. It's finally going to start to move as we go ahead into Monday and Tuesday, but it really has been in place for nearly a week now, and that's why snow totals out here have just been absolutely incredible, because that weather pattern has not changed. So if the machine, the conveyor belt's still running, that means more snow. And actually, some areas heading through the rest of Sunday into Monday still could see an additional meter of snowfall, especially across parts of Hokuriku, before things do start to taper off. When our winter weather pattern starts to weaken a little bit, that high pressure finally moves in. By midweek, it's starting to see a little bit of a difference here. But then as we head into late week into early next week, another round of weather is going to start to work its way in from the west. It won't be as potent, but the threat's still there. Now, at least our snow depths are definitely at average now. They were a little bit below average in some areas of Japan. Back up, Amori Prefecture, you can see here, 248 centimeters snow depth. Actually, in Sunan, that's Niigata, where I just showed you that train video, from 173 centimeters snow depth out there as well. So it's getting back to what it typically is for this time of year, but not quite record breaking by any means. You can see typically up about 400 centimeters. It's just a quick winter weather update. Typically I put out the winter weathercast on Thursdays, but this storm has been rather violent this weekend, so I'm going to go ahead and just give you guys a quick update here on Sunday. I know a lot of people still out there, and what I can say is the snow is going to continue, at least on and off, through the rest of Sunday and the Monday before things slowly start to improve heading into midweek. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.